It's morning, y'all. It's morning. Time to see the results. And this is the bottle I put these concoctions in that I put together for my locks. I showed y'all in a previous video. But yeah, this is it all mixed up. And this is what I put in my hair. In addition to, my Loxanity, Rose Water Moisturizer, and also my Cream of Nature for my edges. Yes. Good morning. Let's get into this. Oh, yeah. Let's get these rollers out of my hair. And let's see what it looks like from my retightening from my new loctician. I'm so excited and so thankful that she took the time to reestablish my perimeters. Yes, I'm looking so forward to my next retightening and my relationship with my new loctician. Yes. And I must say I enjoyed my experience with my loctician. Oh, yes. Mary, thank you so much. She reestablished my perimeters, and she also reestablished locks on my sideburns areas that my hair had grown. I told you guys I was using that Cream of Nature Perfect Edges, and it was growing my edges. So she was able to get 2 of those on each side reestablished. She also interlocked my back of my area, which you guys remember I was thinking about getting an undercut, but she asked me if I wanted her to reestablish it. She didn't even charge me extra for it. You guys, she was awesome. It took 4.5 hours for her to finish, but had she not had to reestablish the perimeters, it probably would have only taken her like 3 hours. But I'm just looking forward to my next retightening with Mary. And again, things happen. My daughter and her friend was keeping up with my locks, my retightenings and everything. But her friend, she's going through college and getting her degree. My daughter's going through police academy and going to be coming back out a police officer on the streets here in my city. So you guys, life happens and we understand that. But just know that I am so happy that for right now, you guys, thank you, Lord, I will not be cutting my locks. I just know that there is a con to locks. There is a con. If I'd known about this con, I probably would maybe not have gotten these. But I have them now. So, and I love them now. So, yeah. But let me tell you the con. The con is that, God bless the locticians. The con is the fact where the locks have to be retightened between 4, 5, 6 to 8 weeks, whichever one you like, you guys, because you don't want to retighten them too often. But that's a lot of work. That is a lot of work. And me personally, I cannot retighten my hair. I cannot. And so, yeah, locticians out there. Thank you guys for having the talent to do this, because without this, there's no way I could maintain it, and I would have been cutting my locks off. I had a wonderful experience with my new loctician, Mary. Thank you again. She took time out. She loved my locks. She introduced herself to my locks, you guys. So, yeah, this morning, I'm taking my hair down. If you guys want to see how I made my actual concoction that I'm using in my hair now, you guys are welcome to comment below and let me know, and I will show you guys exactly how much I put in each one of my bottles. Now, I do still use the Loxanity product because I still have some left. I'm not gonna reorder that because I've made my own concoction now. So yeah, I've kept with my journey. I want you guys to follow my playlist, catch up, binge watch it, give me some watch time hours on there, share, and follow, subscribe, and thumbs up this video. Now, I'm going to be taking, once I get done taking these locks out, I'm going, well, not locks out, you guys. Y'all know I don't mean that. But once I get done taking these braids out, yeah, when I get to taking these braids out, you guys are going to see how wonderful of a job that my loctician did on my hair. So yeah, just watch and stay to the end. Thank you so much. Oh, yeah. And before I forget, comment, 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 comment. Leave me some comments and suggestions for other people that's maybe thinking about getting locks or that have locks. Now, let me tell you guys, thank the Lord. I've been hearing some nightmares about people getting dandruff and their scalp is so dry. I have not had that problem. Thank you, Lord. And I've never really had a problem because I was a loose natural for like almost probably 2 decades, you guys, before I got my locks. So yeah, just be patient and trust the process. I'm looking forward to being completely locked. I'm not completely locked yet, you guys, but I am looking forward to it. I can feel the difference in the textures of my hair. They feel rope-like and it feels good. You're going to have a problem keeping your hands out of your hair. I must tell you, you're going to have a problem keeping your hands out of your hair, okay? I love feeling my hair. I love feeling myself, feeling myself, feeling myself, feeling my hair, feeling my locks, okay? So, yeah. All right. Yes. Last one. Here we go. Finally, you guys are going to see the results of all the hard labor. So I know y'all remember how dry my hair was when I came back from the loctician. And just look at it now. Look at it now. With all my concoctions, look at it now. Remember, this was my favorite one, and it's still my favorite one because it just do its own thing. Yeah, so I love my loctician. She did an awesome job. She did it in 4 hours. And she interlocked those pieces of hairs that the ones that came loose, and I noticed that so far they're still long. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show y'all in just a minute. All right, let me show y'all. All right. And do you all see how thick my hair has gotten and how full it's looking? It's not scalpy, you guys. And another thing I forgot to tell you guys, I did not feel any type of tightening or any excess tightening on my scalp. Everything just felt free. Wow. Hope y'all saw that. It's beautiful. I love it. So, I go back in 6 weeks. for her to do my retightening again. And I tell ya, she was awesome. She was awesome. So we're going to the movies, you guys. So the next video y'all see will probably be a cut of the movies that we're going to. Maybe. We'll see, because we got like 3 choices to go to see. Oh, let me show y'all. These are 3 movies right here. The Inspection with Gabrielle Union. Emancipation, Will Smith, and Devotion. It's a pilot movie. I don't really know the actor on that one, but I've seen him before. So anyway, thank y'all for being a part of my journey. I'll get y'all some more pictures later. And I showed y'all in the beginning on the products that I use for my hair. Okay. Bye. If y'all want to know more about how I make those mixtures for me to get this concoction right here, I showed y'all. I will. You see that little, you can see the little film in there. Then you mix it up. Shake it up. Shake it up every time you use it to make sure everything gets redistributed. But anyway, see y'all next video. Bye.
As soon as I can. I love you forever. Completely yours. Forever.
All right.
Jesse.
Jesse, yeah. Devoted husband. December 3rd, 1950. Written the day before his crash. Wow. It's history, y'all. It's history. Yeah. That's the same guy that played in Creed. So yeah, I'm ready for Creed to come out. What's up, you guys? It's your girl, sheilaandfrank. Come on over and check out our channel, PromoSTK Reality TV, husband and wife, where we eat good in the neighborhood. We're a mukbang eating show, cooking and recipes, especially soul food, pranks on Frank. Oh, y'all go check it out. Challenges, vlogs, comedy skits, short videos, and TikTok. So come on and become our oh yeah baby today. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram, PromoSTK, or you can also go to any of our social sites and find us under PromoSTK. Oh yeah baby. We can't wait to see you. We can't wait to meet you. So come on over.